Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can set up your profile icon and cover photo in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, what you need to do is click on the home button and click on the gear icon or the setting icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. What you need to do next is click on your profile, and as soon as you click on profile, you can see your profile photo and your cover photo. If you want to select it both, you can see set profile icon and cover is on the end. You can just go ahead and tap on it and you can see some of the settings like open camera, select photo or video, and you can even go to the photo studio and create a new AI for yourself as well. And for the profile cover, you can also select photos or videos to upload from. If you want to open camera and select the photo, you can do that, or else just go ahead and click on select photo or video. Now, what you need to do is select a video which you want to keep. So go ahead and select the photo or video which you want to keep and click next. After you do so, you can now see that this is a video and up to 6 seconds will be available. Go ahead and select next, click done, wait for a while as the photo or video will be uploaded and your profile icon will now be changed. After it has been changed, you can see that the profile updated option will be shown. Now talking about your profile cover, you can change this as well. Go ahead and click on select photo or video and select the photo or video which you really want to keep. Go ahead and select it and then click on next. After click on next, you can see that this video has now been saved. Go ahead and click on next, click done, wait for a while as the cover photo or profile cover has been uploading. So after it has been uploaded, you can now see that this profile cover updated option will be shown. Now as people will go to your profile picture and your cover picture will be showed. I hope this video about how you can set up your profile icon and cover photo in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.